Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Lincoln Financial Group. Review my usage experience. Lincoln Financial Group offers a range of financial services including life insurance, annuities, retirement plan services, and group protection benefits. Their target audience is individuals, families, and businesses looking for financial security and planning. Key features often include investment options, retirement income solutions, and various insurance products. Their website provides details on their various offerings. Lincoln Financial emphasizes financial strength and stability, focusing on long-term planning and security. They aim to offer personalized advice and solutions tailored to individual needs. While pricing can vary depending on the specific product or service, their website generally provides information about fees and costs. They highlight the expertise of their financial professionals and their commitment to customer service. You can find more information and explore their different product offerings on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Lincoln Financial Group. I initially contacted them to explore options for a retirement annuity. Getting started was straightforward. I filled out a contact form on their website and was promptly contacted by a financial advisor. Navigating their website to find information about annuities was easy, and the advisor was helpful in explaining the different options available. I appreciated that they took the time to understand my specific financial goals and risk tolerance before recommending a particular product. The online portal for managing my account is user-friendly, allowing me to view my policy details, make payments, and access resources. The performance of the annuity has been in line with my expectations so far, although it's still early days. I had a quick question about beneficiary designations and their support team responded within a day via email with clear and concise information. I was really impressed by how personalized the service felt. The standout feature for me was definitely the advisor's ability to explain complex financial concepts in a way that I could easily understand. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app, though the website is mobile responsive. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience with Lincoln Financial Group so far and feel confident in their ability to help me achieve my long-term financial goals. That's my overview of Lincoln Financial Group. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.